What's up, guys? Okay, so welcome back. So let's finish off where we left off in the previous video. So we've got 3 more of these to look at here. 1, 2, 3. So let's get right into these here. Okay, so let's begin here. So I'll do this, Control V. So this one will say containing revenue, and clients. Okay, so containing revenue and clients. So let's go to the next tab panel. All right, so I guess we can copy this one. Okay, so here we are. Grid 3, we have grid row 4. No, okay, we don't have grid row 4. Let's make grid row 4. I just duplicate that. Okay, so that has appeared there. So let's continue that one. So this one will be for services and billing. So I have appointments, revenue, clients, products. Okay, so this one will be products and stuff. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I'll label, let's see, products on offer. So I can comment out this one. Okay, products on offer, maybe 25 products. Okay, so there we are. Let's minimize that. Okay, 25 products. Okay, so let's see what else is there. Products, stuff. So here to say members of staff. Okay, members of staff. So say, yeah, 10 members. All right, okay. Then we'll reduce this to 30. Then I think there's one more. So let's see, we have staff, products, clients, services, appointments, today's appointments. Okay, so services is the remaining one. So services, we can do this. Oh, okay. All right, okay. So grid row 5. Let's put that in grid row 5. Okay, so there we are. Just need one border here. Okay. All right, okay. And then we're going to do this. Minimize that. Then so scroll view. Oh, not a scroll view. Let's do this instead. So I make the orientation vertical. Okay. So get these. Let's hold on one moment. Okay. So grid row 2, so that would be 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Get rid of this one. Okay, let's see. 0, 1, 2. All right, so 0, 1, 2 there. Let me try ScrollViewer first. That's our elements. So let's see. Okay, let's try this child element first. Parent element, I mean. Okay, X. Okay, so we put that there. Okay. Okay, so that looks like it's there. Okay, ScrollViewer grid row 2. So then we can remove this from the grids. So can remove this one. And go to the next tab panel and do the same. Okay, minimize that one. Then move this grid row 4. And we minimize that one. Then we'll do the same here. Okay, then save. Okay, so that's everything. So Control S. Then let's see. Okay, let's wire this up to the. No, I think this is already wired up. So let's try it run. We see what we have so far. Okay, let's log in. All right, so dashboard. Okay, let's see if our scroller is working. Okay, so that's okay. Then let's end this video right here. So as usual, like, subscribe. The resource files will be linked in the description section of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.